As a monitoring centre operator, a technician or an integrator, you're already familiar with Multicom's reliable quality hardware. But now, a new generation of our TechTools software is set to revolutionise the functionality of monitoring centre operations. We've worked closely with our clients and leading industry partners to develop advanced features with an intuitive interface that operates as a total command centre. TechTools empowers professional alarm businesses to install, commission, maintain and monitor Multicom devices 24/7. Now, system administrators can maintain the entire lifecycle of their Multicom devices, from installation and commissioning right through to deactivation, for both devices and services. Technicians have a vast range of programming options, full visibility into signal performance, and a whole lot more. TechTools seamlessly integrates with all Multicom devices. You can even directly program your Bosch panels from within TechTools. And it's simple for administrators to manage technician access. We've also directly integrated into both Telstra and Optus platforms to bring you true end-to-end control of your devices. So if you need to pause your monitoring, it can be done instantly. With TechTools, you're in total control. We've modernised the look, feel and functionality of every part of our secure, cloud-based portal to create an experience that drives efficiency. With TechTools mobile app, you simply scan the device barcode using the camera, log in and begin configuring the device. And that's just the beginning. Multicom has evolved, building long-term relationships with our clients and now boasting the industry's most responsive customer service. Our commitment to quality hardware includes a lifetime warranty, 15-year technology guarantee and the lowest power consumption in their class. Visit the Multicom website to learn more.